today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to plant a bean plant. So first, you can see right here at the bottom, I put newspaper. I put the newspaper in water, and I put the bean plants, put more newspaper to cover them. Over time, I put them by the window to grow, and you can see pretty much that the leaves are not doing so well. They're all yellowish. That's why I got to plant them, separate them. So here we go. First, I have a little spot next to my eggplant. We're gonna go into the greenhouse and get a digging tool, pickaxe. First, you wanna push around like that. That way you get a hole like that. Just make as many as you're gonna plant. So as soon as you're done, see where the stem is connected to. All of them are in a bunch right now. Take out the plant. We get this, and we're gonna separate it. Just try your best not to damage any root systems. So as soon as you got your plant right here, sit in the soil, and you can see how the root system down here, how all the roots are spread out. So you're gonna move the plant in the middle, push the roots down carefully, just pat it, put soil around the plant, and then carefully just push it down. And as soon as I'm done with this, water them in.